Hi, alright, so welcome back here to this new video. Gonna be here calculating position. So this is calculating position 2. Alright, so I'm going to introduce the problem right here. So our problem is this. It says position, a car travels north along a straight highway at an average speed of 85 kilometers per hour. After driving 2 kilometers, the car passes a gas station and continues along a highway. What is the car's position relative to the start of its trip? 0.25 hours after it passes the gas station. Okay, so we're going to solve this problem using the position equation. Okay, so I'm going to write down the position equation right here. Alright, so now I have the position equation. Okay, and remember that we need to have the initial position plus the velocity times the time interval. Okay, now during the problem we have to identify where is the initial position, and we have to go for the question. It says what is the car's position relative to the start of its trip after it passes the gas station. So the gas station will be like the gap, so that's 2 kilometers, the point in which the car passes the gas station, and then it continues. Okay, so it continues at 85 kilometers per hour during 0.25 hours. So now we all have here it's in kilometers per hour, and hours. So I can continue using the same units. Okay, I don't have to change anything into meters per second or seconds or anything like that. Okay, so the position will be equal to the initial position, that it's 2 kilometers, okay, plus the velocity, that in this case is 85 kilometers per hour times the time interval, that is 0.25 hours. Let me check this. 0.25 hours. Okay, this is number 5. Okay, so the final position in this case would be 23.25 kilometers. Okay, so this is gonna be the final position. Okay, just to remind you that during the problem it says that the car is traveling north, so this 23.25 kilometers is north. Okay, now this is a final position. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, we're going to continue in another video with different type of problem. Okay, I think the next problem I'm going to be uploading here, it's a acceleration problem. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.